Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Oui, parlez-vous français? Let's make the viral sensation, the Crookie. Croissant gets married to cookie dough, usually chocolate chip cookie dough, but let's add a little twist and add some other type of cookie doughs. Do you want to eat the viral cookie with me? This is the Parisian viral Crookie. The croissant having a baby mixed with cookie dough. Usually it's chocolate chip cookie dough, but we're adding a little fun element to it with some mini M&M with chocolate chip cookie dough. So I have some mini and some 2 regular and 4 minis here. Because I wanted to just mix things up. And you just want to take your croissant and just cut it, just, lengthwise. Make sure you don't cut the back, that it stays together whole, because you're going to stuff your cookie dough in here. Again, like this, so you have a back. Make sure your cookie dough is super soft, like mine's. I had let it sit out for a little bit to be super soft, because it just needs to be very pliable. And so I'm just putting this in here, and I'm just squishing it inside. Do another one. So it's about 2 little cookies. We'll fill one up for you. I don't want to lose my M&Ms. And I just kind of like squish it a little bit more in my hands besides it being soft. And here we go. As you can see, might need a little bit more right here to do the ending. Okay. So you can make it as full as you want. I usually just want to spread it around a little bit. So I do a regular size layer. I wouldn't say thin, but I definitely wouldn't say thick either. Now, the traditional Crookie has some cookie dough on the corners and on the top. I think I'm just gonna put a little bit just on the top, but I'm not gonna put any in the corners because I just want to be able to see the pretty M&M colors. So I'll put some on the top so they could appear. Let's do that right there. I have yellow and orange right here, some green. Here's our vitamin content. I'm using my air fryer because I just think that it bakes it quicker. But because I am using my air fryer on bake mode, I have a match cook mode, so it can cook both. Cook all of these in 2 different separate baskets at the same time. I'm gonna place a large one and 2 little minis around them. Now, it all depends how you like, how dark you want your cookie or how light you want it. I'm gonna do it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna check it at 4 and it'll probably be 5. If you want it darker, then you could do it a little bit longer on 350. Now the packaging says 11 to 12 minutes, but that's using a conventional oven. So that takes a little bit longer. And that's also if you're taking it straight from frozen and not it's thawed and softened. So here are what they look like going in. Pretty. I'm actually gonna put this back for another 2 more minutes. It's a little too light for my liking, even though I like it light. So I just want you to see the progress. So this was doing it for 4 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in for 2 more minutes. And here are a list of ingredients. And so here are our Crookies. This is what it looks like coming out of the air fryer from bake mode. So we're taking out our Crookie. Look at the beautiful color on this. Oh, this looks so fun with the M&Ms. It's for the big kid in you, the adult big kid in you. Okay, G, so we have our fun Crookies with mini M&M chocolate chips. So take yourself one. I'm gonna go, because this is a rich treat. Now, honey, if you're on a diet, this is not the thing to have, please. So you don't get upset with me. This is somebody who's willing to cheat a little bit that day, or somebody who's not on a diet. So don't come for me if you're on a diet. I didn't say that this was healthy. Now, it is croissants and it is cookies. So we are just going to share some of our Crookie with some nice, wholesome almond milk. You could have whatever milk you choose to your liking, or no milk at all. And so G, our resident taste tester, is here, and he's going to taste this delicious Crookie.
Well, let's try it. I'm going to dip it in the milk.
Oh, just a nice kid in you dipping your croissant in milk because it's cookie dough.
No, I like M&Ms a lot, so I really like this. I think with the chocolate chips and M&Ms and the croissant, they all blend together nice, you know. With the milk too, it makes it just more rich and not as hot. So overall, just everything was good.
All right, so I'm gonna take a bite, but first I wanna look inside this. Oh my gosh, you see how good this looks? This is so ooey and gooey. If you love ooey and gooey cookies, you're definitely gonna love this. You can hear that crunch from the flakiness. Oh, like having that nice piece of chocolate right there. Absolutely divine. Chef kiss from the chef in Paris who created this, from this culinary chef. Also pâtisserie chef, I am. This is amazing. If you have a sweet tooth, you love cookie dough, you love croissant, definitely try this marriage together. You will not be disappointed. Whether you try with the mini chocolate chip, if you love candy, you know, M&Ms, or you try another version, or just the classic chocolate chip cookie dough, whether you make it yourself or pre-made, you will be totally satisfied. Thank you for hanging out with Gio and I today and eating this viral cookie Crookie with us. And we ask you to come back and hang out with us again in our next video. And most of all, be good to yourself and God bless you.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran Glover has something for every meal and love in every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.